Alright guys, so the minimal wear sold, and now we're gonna try for two. We're gonna see if we can do that twice, but I sold one of my $2 or $3 items and a couple 50-cent items, so I have a little bit more money to do this, so I could do it the way I wanted to. We're just gonna do minimal wears. And the reason I'm doing two minimal wears and not just one factory new is because I feel like you get more profit doing it two different ones, because then you get two fairly high dollar items. So let's see, that's 14 altogether. So if we were going to do two field tested per one, we would need 16 factory, not factory new, minimal wears. So we need two more. Doesn't look like we can do it with that. So we did 3 per one. We could do this. Actually, you know what? Let's just do one. See if we get it. Let's do a full 10 minimal wear. See if we get a Glock. Just fucking wing it. Is it factory new? It looks pretty nice. If it's factory new, we win. Minimal wear. Okay, well, shit. It's telling me to do another. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 minimal wears. Okay, let's try. Let's go here, and we'll go with this. That still won't be enough. Shit, I didn't plan well. Well, I'm gonna end that video here, and I will continue it. I will do another one, I guess. I don't know, man. I didn't plan that very well. I'm really sad about that. I should have paid attention. I bought them too quick. See, guys, this is what you need to learn. Don't do what I just did. So, lesson today: pay attention to what you're buying things for. Plan better.